centrifugal blowers on Chrysler products?
They have superchargers.
Yeah, and what he's talking about is the turbo centrifugal.
Yeah, they have turbos now.
Yeah, I want a
Is this
mechanical.
more responsive?
Oh,
here?
definitely. This
Lower
is driven
speed.
off the crankshaft. This thing, there's no,
So there's no lag.
no.
So that's a supercharger. So there's like two little things that spin, and it just like basically there's a big air pump is what it is.
Yeah.
You know what that is for? That's your only luggage spot when this is folded down.
Really?
Yeah, that's it.
So they mark it off.
Yeah, so you know you're not going to crush something.
Wow. 60, 63 or something like that. I'm not positive.